Visit us at Eduvvo. Thank you for calling Eduvvo.
Now the one thing that I want to add right in here, the cancel button. So if the user didn't want to select any job right from here, then the user can simply click on that cancel button that we are about to create. So let's go and work on that. So right down below, in here below this container, we will say action, and in there we will create that text button. It's going to take the on pass event, and as you guys can see, the child. So in here, comma, and tag this down. I'll have the on pass, as you guys know already, and tag this down. In here, what we will say, navigator dot can pop. If there will be any kind of dialog box, if it's can pop, then right in the if, we will simply remove that with the help of navigator dot pop contacts. It will remove that. Or if there will be no dialog box, then in the else, right in here, we will say no. So let's move further. In here, child and text widget. In that, and I have a text for that button, cancel, or you can give any name, whatever you want. Now we will do some style, text style as usual. There we go. Now in there, set the colors. We will go with the color dot white. Let me take this down from here, take it down. In here, comma, and now let's just set the font size. We will set it to 16, not so big. And right in here, add the const modifier, all just fine. Now simply just press the Ctrl S, and you guys will notice that. Now simply click in here and just open that again. It will just reload it, and there will be that cancel button. Okay, it's going to refresh the page. So click on that, and there we go with the cancel button, as you guys can see right in here. And there is that dialog box. So as I told you before, if it can pop, we will simply remove that with the navigator dot pop contacts. We will remove that. So there is a dialog box. Now I want that just to remove that, so simply click on that cancel button, and there we go, boom, it's gone. All just fine. So we have successfully added that right to the job category list, and you guys can see the result right in here. Now simply the last thing that we will do, just to remove that app bar from here, because it's not looking good. Right in here, we will remove that, and you guys already know that it's a upload job now screen. Okay, so there is no need of that app bar. We will remove that. Let's go and do that right in the widget build. There we go with the app bar. Okay, so from here to here, simply delete. Now press the Ctrl S, and you guys will notice, boom, app bar is gone, and now it's looking more beautiful. Okay, so all fine, and basically that's it for this video. Right in the next video we will work further. So see ya.